Hi, this is Matt Capell with Capell Flooring. Hey, I've got another quick video for you. So we often get asked about the warranties for engineered wood or hardwoods. And so let me give you a good analogy here. So we get asked with hardwood, like, so say it's got a 30-year warranty. Does my warranty cover scratches and dings and things of that nature? So the answer to that is pretty much no. And let me give you a couple reasons why. So most warranties have to do with joint integrity and structure and things of that nature. Think of it as this is wood right here was a car, for example. Most car warranties have to do with the engine and how it runs and things of that nature. But if somebody were to scratch the door, that has nothing to do with the warranty. So just to give you an example, like if somebody takes a screwdriver and they go like this on your wood, that's not covered. So don't do that. Your dog's a digger, might want to cut their nails. But as you can see, I mean, I had to push really hard to do that, so that's good to know that. And most people aren't going to take a screwdriver to their floor, and hopefully you're not mad at your spouse and you chuck one of these at their head. So, but just like this, I mean, it'll scratch, right? And just another side note, there is not a hardwood floor that will not scratch. Anything will scratch if you push hard enough. So anyway, just wanted to give you that heads up. Things like that are not covered under warranties. And so my suggestion would just be careful and to be aware of things and to always buy an extra box or two in case you have an accident. Thanks so much.